Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel Gyan Manjari Modern School Shio. Students, in last lecture we were doing chapter number 12. Today we will continue chapter number 12, but in that we will do numericals that are given in the exercise. So okay students, take out your notebook and textbook, page number 156. Answers of the numericals I have already given you, but we have not solved the numericals. So we will solve here numericals of the exercise. Okay, chapter number 12, numericals, and page number is 156. Page 156. Page 156, question number E. Okay, question number E we have to do, page number 156. Numericals of exercise we have to do. Okay, in that also first one, a vehicle travels 25 kilometer. 25 kilometer is a distance. So I will write here distance equal to 25 kilometer. Okay. In 15 minutes, 15 minutes is what? It is a time. So time equal to 15 minutes. Calculate the speed in kilometer per hour. Now what we want? We want speed, and that speed should be in kilometer per hour. Okay, whatever the speed we get, it should be in kilometer per hour. So once again I am explaining you the question. There is a one vehicle. That vehicle is traveling the distance. How much distance? Distance is given. 25 kilometer का distance वो travel कर रहा है vehicle. How much time it is taking? How much time the vehicle is taking? Vehicle is taking 15 minutes to travel 25 kilometer. Now you have to find the speed, but you want answer in kilometer per hour. Okay, you want answer in kilometer per hour. Now students, distance is in kilometer. That is okay. We want in kilometer. But here time is in minute. Okay, time is given in minute, but we want answer in hour. Okay, hour में होना चाहिए. So what I will do? I will convert it into hour. I will convert 15 minutes into hour. So how we will convert minute into hour? So you know the formula. 1 hour equal to how much minutes? 1 hour. एक घंटे में कितने मिनट होते हैं? Yes, 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Here how much minutes are there? 15 minutes. So 15 minutes equal to question mark. So now cross multiply. 15 ones are 15 upon 60. Now cancel it. I will apply 5's table. 5 3's are 15. 5 ones are 5. Carry 1. 5 2's are 10. 3 ones are 3. 3 4's are 12. So answer is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 hour. Okay. See, once again I am repeating, we want speed in kilometer per hour. Distance is given in kilometer. Okay, it is fine. But time is given in minute. But we want in hour. So what I will do? I will apply the formula. You know, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 15 minutes equal to how much? Okay. So 15 ones are 15. Divide by 60. Apply the table of 5. 5 3's are 15. 5 ones are 5. Carry 1. 5 2's are 10. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 4's are 12. So equal to 1 upon 4 hour. Okay, now here we have converted into hour. 1 upon 4 hour. Now apply the formula. What is the formula of speed? Speed equal to total distance travelled upon time taken. Okay, time distance travel upon time taken. How much distance? 25 kilometer. How much time? 1 upon 4. Now see, 24 upon 1 upon 4. 4 is in denominator का भी denominator में, तो it will become numerator. Okay, it is like this. 25 upon 1 upon 4. So denominator is 4 and its denominator is 4. Oh sorry, 25's denominator is 1 and its denominator is 1. डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर जो होता है वो न्यूमरेटर में आ जाता है. न्यूमरेटर यानी जो ऊपर लिखते हैं, तो ये 4 ऊपर आ जाएगा, तो क्या होगा 25 into 4. So 25 4 जा 5 4 जा 20 4 2 जा 8 100. So 100 kilometer per hour. Okay, once again I am repeating, speed equal to distance upon time. Distance given, it is given in kilometer, 25 kilometer. I have substituted here. Upon time taken in hour, we have converted here. hour में हमें चाहिए 1 upon 4. तो 1 upon 4 जो है डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर है, तो वो न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएगा. तो 25 into 4. So 25 4 is 100 kilometer per hour. So speed equal to 100 kilometer per hour. Okay, note it down students. Okay students, I hope it is clear to you. Everything was given, only time was given in minutes. So what we have done, we have converted into hour and then we have substituted in the formula. So first of all you should know the formula, speed equal to distance upon time. Okay, now let us do second one. Okay, second one. A commercial aircraft travels at 900 km per hour. 900 km per hour is a speed. Okay, speed is given to you. 900 km per hour. Speed is given to you. There is one aircraft. That aircraft is traveling at the speed of 900 km per hour. Speed is given to you. Calculate the distance, means what you want to calculate? Distance. Just now in this numerical you have to find the distance. Calculate the distance, means distance equal to question mark. It travels in 5 hours. Time is given 5 hours. Okay, once again, speed of an aircraft is given 900 km per hour. Time is also given. How much time this aircraft takes? 5 hours it takes, aircraft. Now you have to find the distance. Okay, now again you apply the formula, speed equal to distance upon time. Therefore, speed, how much it is given? 900. So here Below speed I will write 900 equal to distance. How much? Distance is not given, so distance as it is, because that only we have to find, no distance. Now time how much? 5 hour. Okay, now here 5 will go into numerator on that side. Here it is in division, 5 on this side on equal to this side, it is in denominator, it is in division. On this side it will become multiplication in numerator. Both way you can say. On this side it is denominator, on this side it will be in numerator. Or you can also say it is here division, here it will be in multiplication. Therefore 900 multiplied by 5 equal to distance. So what will be the answer? 9 5s are 45, 100. So 4500 will be 4500 will be kilometer, because distance is in kilometer. So we got the answer, distance equal to 4500 kilometer. Okay students, note it down. So once again students, I am repeating if you are having doubt. Aircraft was having speed was given 900 km per hour, time was given 5 hours. What you have to find? You have to find distance. So we applied the formula speed equal to distance upon time. Okay, now speed is given 900, so I have written here 900 equal to distance is not given. So distance as it is upon time is given 5. Here 5 is in denominator, on that side it will be in numerator. So 900 as it is multiplied by 5 equal to distance. 900 into 5 will be 4500 kilometer equal to distance. Distance equal to kilometer, that's why. Okay, I hope it is clear. Let us do another one. See, this numericals are very important. It will come in 9th standard as well. Okay, it is better to do practice just now only. And second thing, you have to do with me, you have to take out your notebook. While I am doing here with me only you have to do. Then only you will get what numericals there. Okay, now next one, third one. Seismic waves, earthquake waves, that is travel at about 8 km per second. Third one. So seismic waves means earthquake waves. Speed is given. How much? 8 km per second. Speed is given in kilometer per second. Calculate the distance. What we want to calculate? Distance equal to question mark. Distance is not given. It travels in 10 seconds. 10 second is time. 10 s. S means second. So once again I am repeating. Earthquake waves is having a speed 8 km per second. And how much time it is taking? Earthquake waves, it is taking 10 seconds. Now distance is not given. So we have to find the distance. So again you will apply the same formula. Speed equal to distance upon time. Speed how much? Speed is given to you here 8 km per second. So here I will place 8 km per second. Equal to distance is given here? No. So distance as it is upon time is given to you? Yes. How much? 10 second. S means second. So 10 second. So cross multiply, sorry, here it is denominator, on that side it will be numerator. So 8 multiplied by 10 equal to distance. So 8 tens are 80. 80 distance will be in kilometer. 80 kilometer equal to distance. Note it down, students. Okay, students, I hope it is clear. So, question number 3, 3 numerical we have done. Now, fourth one. Okay, fourth one. Convert the following. Okay, convert the following in that first one, A1. Page number it is 157. So A1 is 30 second 2 minutes. So convert the following means, now here in first one a question is given into second. Now this 30 second you have to convert into minute. Okay, क्वेश्चन जो है सेकंड में दिया है, हाउ मच सेकंड, 30 सेकंड, आपको मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो व्हाट विच फॉर्मूला यू विल अप्लाई, सेकंड को मिनट में कन्वर्ट करना हो तो यू ऑलरेडी नो 1 मिनट इक्वल टू 60 seconds. Okay, 1 minute equal to 60 second. Here how much seconds are there? 30 second. तो 30 सेकेंड को सेकेंड के नीचे लिखना है, तो यहाँ पे सेकेंड यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, तो 30 सेकेंड इक्वल टू क्वेश्चन मार्क. वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, 1 मिनट इक्वल टू 60 सेकेंड. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन किस में है, सेकेंड में दिया है 30 सेकेंड, तो सेकेंड को सेकेंड के नीचे रखना है, तो 30 सेकेंड इक्वल टू क्वेश्चन मार्क. नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, 30 वन जा 30 अपॉन 60, 0 0 कट, 3 1 जा 3 2 जा, so equal to 1 upon 2. Now convert 1 upon 2 into decimal. So what you will do, you will divide with 2 1, 1 will be divided by 2. So in two tables, 1 will not come, so here 0 point, here 0, 2 5 जा 10, 10 minus 10 0, so 1 upon 2, what is the answer, 0.5. So 0.5 answer will be in minute, we have converted 0.5 minutes. See students, that you should remember 1 upon 2 0.5, it is 0.5 only, there is no need to calculate. But some of you will may not know how it came, that's why I have divided here. But it is very obvious, 1 upon 2 is 0.5. Half means what? 0.5. So 1 upon 2 equal to 0.5 minutes. Once again I am repeating. Question is of conversion. Question is given in second. You have to convert it into minute. So you will apply the formula. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. How much seconds are given here? 30 seconds. So 30 seconds equal to question mark. Cross multiply 30 ones are 30 upon 60. 0 0 cut. 3 ones are 3 twos are equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is 0.5 minutes. Note it down. Okay students, next one. B1, question 4, B1. So convert 72 hours to days. आर दिया हुआ है, आवर्स को आपको डेज में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए 1 डे में कितने आवर्स होते हैं. इन 1 डे हाउ मच आवर्स आर देयर. सो अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला. 1 डे इक्वल टू how much hours? Yes, you know. 1 day how much hours? Yes, 1 day equal to 24 hours. Here how much hours are given? 72 hours are given. So I will place R below to R. So 72 hours equal to question mark. 72 ones are, here 1 is there only. 72 ones are 72 upon 24. Apply 2's formula. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 threes are 6, carry 1, 2 6 are 12. Again 2 6 are 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. Answer is 18 upon 6. Here I was not having space, that's why again I have written here. 6 ones are, 6 threes are 18. So answer is 3 days. हमें आंसर डेज में मिल गया. कन्वर्ट कर दिया हमने आर को डेज में. ठीक है. कैसे किया हमने? 72 आवर्स दिया हुआ था, उसे हमें डेज में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए एक डे में कितने आवर होते हैं. 1 डे इक्वल टू 24 आवर्स. यहाँ पे कितने आवर दिया हुआ है? 72 आवर्स. तो 72 आवर्स इक्वल टू क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. 72 1 से 72 अपॉन, हमेशा क्वेश्चन मार्क के सामने जो होता है वो डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. तो क्वेश्चन मार्क के सामने क्या है? 24 है, तो डिनोमिनेटर में रखना है. यानी क्या हुआ हमारा? 72 अपॉन 24. फिर आपको कैंसलेशन करना है, कटिंग करना है, जैसे भी आप करो. ठीक है. जब आप कटिंग करोगे तो आंसर आएगा 3 डेज. हमने कन्वर्ट कर दिया आवर्स को डेज में. ओके. 3 डेज इज द आंसर. राइट इट डाउन. Okay students, next one. Next is 90 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Means question is given kilometer upon hour. Now you have to convert this kilometer into meter and this hour into second. So you should know two formulas. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. ओके 1 किलोमीटर इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर एंड 1 आवर में कितने सेकंड होते हैं? 1 किलोमीटर में 1000 मीटर होते हैं और 1 आवर में 1 आवर इक्वल टू 3600 सेकेंड. दिस टू फॉर्मूला यू शुड नो. ओके नाउ स्टूडेंट्स 90 एज इट इज 90 multiply by in 1 kilometer how much meter? 1000 meter. So I will multiply by 1000 upon in 1 hour how much second? In 1 hour how much second? 3600 seconds. So here I will write 3600. Now cut it, cancel it. 1 0 1 0 cut, 1 0, another 0 cut. Okay, 9 stable. 9 10s are 90, 9 4s are 36. Okay, 10 10s are, now here answer is 10 multiplied by 10 upon 4. So 10 10s are 100 divided by 4. So you can directly divide here, divide 100 by 4. 4 2s are 8, 10 minus 8 2, 0, 4 5s are 20. Answer is 25 and that too also meter per second, 25 meter per second. Clear? Here question was given in kilometer per hour. You have to convert into meter per second. Kilometer per hour. This slash means per. कैसे बोलते हैं हम? पर बोलते हैं, ऐसे PER. किलोमीटर पर आवर. किलोमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है और आर को सेकंड में. 90 एज इट इज रहेगा. तो 90 इंटू 1 किलोमीटर में कितने मीटर होते हैं? 1000 मीटर. तो हमें मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 अपॉन 1 आवर में कितने सेकेंड? 3600 सेकेंड. नेक्स्ट यू टू डू कैंसलेशन. यू विल गेट 25 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ओके, नोट इट डाउन. Okay students, next one now, last one. This formula you need for this numerical. Sorry, D1. Now this time what you have to do, 75 meter per second, 2 kilometer per hour. So question is given 75 meter per second and you have to convert meter into kilometer and you have to convert second into hour. Students, you know, when you want to convert kilometer into meter, at that time you are multiplying with the 1000. But if you want to convert meter into kilometer, at that time you will divide by 1000. किलोमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आप क्या करते हो, 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, पर मीटर को किलोमीटर में करना हो तो डिवाइड बाय 1000. ठीक है, तो मीटर को किलोमीटर में करना है तो क्या करना होगा, डिवाइड बाय 1000. फिर 1 आवर को आपको सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट करना हो तो आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हो 3600. बट हियर यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट सेकेंड इनटू आवर, सो यू विल डिवाइड बाय 3600. सो सेकेंड इज गिवन बिलो, सो उसका डिवाइड यानी ऊपर लिखना होगा, तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3600. Once again I am repeating, when you have to convert kilometer into meter, at that time multiply by 1000. But when you have to convert meter into kilometer, divide by 1000. And when you have to convert second into hour, divide by 3600. So meter into kilometer, divide by 1000. And second into hour, divide by 3600. Now do cancellation. 0, 0 cut, 0, 0 cut. I am writing here simplified form. 75 into 36 upon 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, carry 1, 2 8s are 16. Now 5 is table, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Here 2, 5 5s are 25. Now multiply 15 into 18. See what is the answer. Okay, multiply it. Here I am multiplying for you. 15 into 18. 8 5s are 40. 4 carry 0. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 4 12. 0. 5 1s are 5. 1 1s are 1. Plus 0 0 0. 2 plus 5 7. 1 plus 1 2. So answer is 270 kilometer, kilometer per hour. So what is the one thing you have to remember, when you are converting meter to kilometer, at that time divide by 1000. And when you are converting second into hour, सेकंड को आर में कन्वर्ट करना हो तो डिवाइड बाय 3600. ओके, अगर किलोमीटर को मीटर में करना है तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है, और आर को सेकंड में करना हो तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है. राइट इट डाउन. Okay students, I hope it is clear. We have completed the chapter, and next question is graph. It is not in the this thing timetable, oh sorry, paper style. Okay, don't worry about that. And I hope this is clear to you. You have to do once in your homework book. Okay, that's it for the lecture. Best of luck for the examination. Bye.